come with us to our promo run. Today we're at Net 25 and it's so special because this network has always been supported from day one.
You know, pabalik-balik din. But life is good.
Life is good.
How about you? Everything okay? 0.5, let's go.
Sunday!
Sunday lang.
It's always the best feeling to be home in the Philippines.
Sa Ayala Cinemas in March 18th. Yes, yes.
So it's about what?
Ooh, Songs for Selena is about the dark side of the music industry here.
Yes, actually very timely yung paglabas.
Don't miss their movie!
Eagle FM!
Finish with radio. We're gonna do letters and music now.
Let's go!
We're singing live on TV today, so you know I gotta do my HQ Popstar Academy exercises. Letters and music. My test. Since I was a child. Back into a letter. When back into a letter. Get the secret in the soul of the run. I'll be waiting in the end. You'll see the dust. Radio might get honest and here I go. I'll be waiting in the end. It's time to jump.
Ako'y mapatawad ba sa akin ay nagmamag-awa? Tulad ng alay ng pag-ibig mo, ako sana muli. Sorry, ako po si JR. Tagalog, my bad. What's up, what's up? Ako po si JR.
To play a little game. And now with the Arizona Being.
What's up mga ka-sound trip? Meron po kaming bagong pelikula entitled Songs for Selena.
Sana manood po kayo sa Songs for Selena. Let's go!
Well done.
Yeah, thank you, Letters and Music!
Thank you.